Back pain affects almost everyone. Around 80% of people will experience it at some point in their lives. It's also one of the most expensive health problems worldwide. In many cases, the pain comes from damage to the soft, jelly-like center of the disc, called the nucleus pulposus. One promising approach uses special cells. Here's how it works. We take a tiny piece of cartilage from the nose under local anesthesia. Those cells are strong and can survive in the harsh environment inside a damaged disc. In the lab, we grow those cells into small balls called spheroids and prepare them so they are ready to help with healing. These spheroids are then injected directly into the disc. Once inside, they help repair the damaged tissue and support the spine's natural function. The result? Less pain, more mobility, and a better life for our patients.